I already got the OrthoComfoot men's slip-on loafers. As I get a little bit older, I want slip-on loafers. I like these, and these are specially designed for plantar fasciitis relief and just, relief on your feet when you're walking and you get a little bit older. So these are the gray ones. They came in size 13, and with a pair of socks on, they fit perfectly size 13 for me because that's what I wear. This is the gray color that I got, the dark gray. You can see that it's a really nice canvas material, really well made. Feels really well made. It's breathable. It's got this little elastic on here to expand with your foot. If your foot's a little bit larger, this will expand out a little bit, give you some more room. The bottoms are made of a nice cushiony material, like soft foam. A little bit of a harder area here on the support for the ball of your feet and for your heel, which is pretty cool. And it comes with an extra set of inserts, which I'm not sure what these are for, to be honest with you. They're just like foam inserts. I could probably use these on something else, but they're not as cool as the inserts that actually come in the shoe, which are gel inserts with extra padding here for the heel and for the ball of your foot. And my favorite thing, it's got this textured like waffle material type stuff that's great for, it just feels good, like massages your foot when you walk. I love it. It's got support here, like the harder support around, your arch for arch support, and this is going to be awesome. They look fantastic. The white on the inside, the little black stripes on the outside. Yeah, so let's take these out and we'll test them out. All right, so I'm out for the second walk of the day with my dog walking time, and these things are super comfortable. I got a 13. They fit 13 exactly perfect with my socks. They're not too loose, they're not too tight. They're great in grass. I got a lot of traction in grass. I got traction on the concrete. It's cool out today. My feet are nice and cool, so they're very breathable, and I'm really liking them. They're comfortable. I like the inserts that came with them, are perfect for me. No need for me to swap them out to the other inserts. And so, if you're looking for a good pair of Ortho shoes that look good, feel good, check out these ones. Check them out.